Hi guys, today we are going to learn about classes and objects in Dart. So let's create a new file called Learn Dart in this lib folder of a Flutter project. Open it. Type class, the keyword for creating a new class, then name this class as a person. Each element in this class should have a name, right? A name will be a string, so type string username and string name. Then the next is the integer, age. And he also has a height, and this height will be a something kind of floating point. So let it as a double value. So this name, age, and height are showing an error because names cannot be a null value, right? So we have to mark it as a nullable value. There is a chance for it to hold a null. We have to add a question mark on just the right side of the data type to make it as a nullable variable. So we add a question mark, so that its default value will be null. And we can do one more thing there is we can assign an initial value to the variable, blank, or if it is an integer we can assign 0. So since it is a class and object, so we have to create a constructor for this class with the same name. So construct is a function with the same name as a class. Creating a constructor. Okay, so now all the errors of the above are gone. This keyword is used to represent the global variable of this main class, which is our person. We have passed all the parameters. So now you have to make an object of the person class. Name the objectives as a kill. Person, you have a name, age, and height. So let us pass the name string a kill as an integer 20, height is a double value, so it is 5.9. That's so this a kill is the object of the person named class. Let us print the name of a kill. So let us write print a kill.name. Okay, so we need to put it inside a function or a method. Let's type the main function. Let us put this to statements inside the main function. Now we can run this function and see how the output. See here we get a kill as the output of the program and the name of a kill. So let's print the age. Now we have to restart so you can see. Here 20, that's my age. And we get to replace it with height. And we get it 5.9. Here we are having a small confusion in creating the object in the order of the parameters in which position should be passed. So to solve this issue we have a feature called a named parameter. To do it, we have to put the curly brackets inside the constructor, so now insert this curly brackets. Let us remove the parameters. And here we have an error because it also provides a feature called an optional parameter. Name, age, and height are not passed to the person constructor. There will be an error, so we have to make it as a required parameter, because a person should have a name. We can type in the constructor called the same name, and pass a kill. For here we are also giving as it is required, and here also we are putting required. Now here put height as the second parameter, and as age the third parameter. This will work smoothly. Then restart. This all works perfectly. So let it see with another tutorial in the next video. Till then, bye.